Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting mid-project, so pick the stitch where the new color begins and mark it. This ensures alignment. Once chosen, drop the old yarn after the last stitch of the previous color and introduce the new yarn by leaving a 6/8-inch tail. Make the first stitch with the new color, pulling the tail gently to match tension. Too tight will pucker. Then, make 1 or 2 reinforcing stitches with both yarns held together to lock the join in place. Once the new yarn is in, knit the first few stitches slowly to stabilize the join. This prevents slipping. If you're changing colors every round, use a jogless stripe technique to align rows on circular needles. Rotate the first stitch by knitting through the back loop when needed. For stranded sections, catch floats every 3-5 stitches to keep floats under 1/2 inch. This maintains elasticity. Make sure to leave tails for weaving, or pin them temporarily. To finish, weave in tails on the wrong side, following the row direction so the join lies flat. Bury each tail across several stitches to secure. Once done, block the piece gently to even tension and set the joins. This often solves small puckers. If you see laddering at color transitions, unpick a few stitches and retwist the yarns when changing colors. That twist locks tension. Finally, inspect in good light and, if needed, redo a single round rather than multiple rows for minimum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.